Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to turn on the Vanish mode on Instagram. First of all, you click on the Instagram app. Here you'll be led to the home page by default. You click on the messaging section, which is at the top right, and then you click whoever message you want to use the Vanish mode on. I'll be using the first person. Here you just hold and swipe up, and then your Vanish mode will be turned on. The Vanish mode is important for when you want the messages to disappear with time. Let's say I want to say hey. You click send, and then to turn off your Vanish mode, hold and swipe up again, and then your message will be disappeared. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.